Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Yesterday, I can explain to the arithmetic progression based on that points. Nth term, sum of n terms. After arithmetic means I can explain. Based on some questions, I can explain yesterday. I can explain to the some basic again that arithmetic, then some briefly. Here listen. Generally, nth term here is there arithmetic progression. Any progression terms are there. Remaining students also just listen. I can finish quickly. Here terms are in, that is, here listen, A1, A2, A3, etc. An. There are n terms are there in that sequence. If difference between consecutive terms, that is called A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, again A4 minus A3, etc. Difference of consecutive terms is the same. That sequence is called a arithmetic progression. That difference is called a common difference. It's denoted as D. D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, etc. will be there. Generally, first term is the denoted as, here A1 is equal to A. From this one, what is the A2 is equal to A plus D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, etc. What is the general term? General term is called a nth term. What is the nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, nth term of sequence is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D in arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, first term A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, etc. Nth term is called A plus ND. Next one, sum of first n terms denoted as Sn. Sum of first n terms are denoted as Sn. Sn is equal to sum of first n terms A1, A2, etc. An will be there. Sum of first n terms of in arithmetic progression denoted as Sn. Sn is equal to A1 plus A2, etc. An. What is that form is there? That is called n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the sum of n term formula? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, that is also written n by 2 into A plus L will be there. N by 2 into A plus L. A is called a first term, L is called a last term. Therefore, sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression n by 2 into A plus L will be there. This is the points are based on that. Some questions yesterday 1 or 2 question I can explain, remaining I can explain now. Discipline to sit in class. Don't make any sounds, don't make anything else. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here this is the one. This is the points are beginning of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. And arithmetic means based on some small concept. Before that problems I can start. Arithmetic mean I can explain. First, who are not attended previous class, note down these all points. Everyone must attend that everyday class, and after complete that classes again you can coming and sit in this class. Sometime you can understand, sometime you can't understand. That time you face lots of problems. Quick.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Carry on. But subject learning slowly. Don't worry about that subject. Slow to learn each day some points.
Sir, one show yesterday last slide, sir.
Last slide. Oh, it's there in YouTube, that question. Once you check, YouTube in video will be there.
In YouTube
Okay.
or not upload, sir.
Not upload. I think today upload. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Completed this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here that is there based on that quadratic and arithmetic progression. That is the question. Listen. Alpha, beta are roots of quadratic equation. P not equal to 0. But P, Q are in arithmetic progression. P, Q are in arithmetic progression. Listen. Here P comma Q comma R are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression mean what I told, difference of consecutive terms same. That means Q minus P is equal to R minus Q. Q bring this side, that is called 2Q is equal to P plus R. That is one equation. Relation between P comma Q comma R can be written 2Q is equal to P plus R, because of given that P comma Q comma R are in arithmetic progression, and here given alpha beta roots of equation. What is the sum of the roots formula? Alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. Very good. Here listen, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is called minus q by p. Alpha into beta is equal to r by p, because ABC in place of PQ are given. That's why I written that like this one. One more condition given in that one. What is that condition? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 4. Therefore, you can take LCM. Alpha beta, alpha plus beta is equal to 4 given. I can take LCM. LCM of both I can take. Observe. Alpha plus beta you know, alpha into beta also you know it. Both can be divided. What is cancel? P cancel, minus q by r is equal to 4. Minus q by r is equal to 4. What is the q is equal to? Minus 4r. Q value minus 4r. But here one relation will be there. 2q is equal to p plus r. From this one, what is the p is equal to? Here 2q minus r. Therefore, q value minus 4r will be there. Substitution. You can get minus 8r minus r. You can get minus 9r. What is the p value is equal to? Minus 9r will be there. Therefore, observe. First you can find alpha plus beta. What is the alpha plus beta? Minus q by p. But what is the q is equal to? Minus 4r.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4r divide. What is the p is equal to? Minus 9r. Listen, negative of negative positive, but again negative will be there. That is equal to minus 4 by 9. Any doubt up to this one?
No, sir.
Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to r by p. R value r only. What is the p value? Minus 9r. You can get minus 1 by 9. You know that alpha into beta, alpha plus beta. But what is asking that question is there? Mod alpha minus beta. How to find? Anyone in this class?
Mod of
Okay, listen. That is, observe this one. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to, you have one formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Do you remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Therefore, alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 4 by 9 whole square 16 by 81 minus 4 times of, what is the alpha into beta? 1 minus 1 by 9. I written that minus 1 by 9. Take LCM, that is called 81. Here is called a 16. Listen, here 9 will be there, but LCM 81 multiply 9. 9 into 4, 36. Negative of negative, positive. What is the 36 plus 16?
52.
52. That is, you can get 52 by 81. What is alpha minus beta? Is equal to root over 52. What is the root 81 is called? 9 will be there. 52, any factors are there? 52, any factors?
4 into 13, sir. 2 root 13.
Very good. That is equal to 2 into root 13 divide 9. Do you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Note down. Doubt will be there. You can ask, unmute and ask. If you no doubt, you can mute yourself. If disturbance created, remaining students not understand whatever explained in classes. Just based on small relation here, that is arithmetic progression and quadratic equation. Both chapters are mixing that question.
Minus 4.
Sir, side move, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how to get P equal to 2Q minus R?
Here from this relation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
R value bring that side, therefore P is equal to 2Q minus R. Understood? Okay. All are completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. This chapter is very, very important for competitive examinations. That means mains and advanced exam and remaining all examinations. What is the importance is there in this exam? In every time, every paper, minimum 2 questions will be there from this chapter.
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay. Here write down. See, A1 comma A2 comma etc. An are in arithmetic progression. It's given A3, A7, A11, A15 is equal to 72. What is the in arithmetic progression A3 formula?
A plus 2D.
Very good. That is equal to A plus 2D. What is their A7 formula?
A plus
Therefore, A plus 6D. That is A11. What is the formula?
A plus 10D.
A plus 10D. That is A plus 10D plus. What is the A15 formula?
A plus 14D.
Okay, very good. A plus 14D is equal to 72. A. 4 times 4A plus 2D plus 6D, 8D, 8 plus 10, 18D, 18 plus 14.
32D, sir.
18 plus 14 is called 32D is equal to 72. What is the common of left hand side?
4 common, sir. A plus 8D.
4 common.
32.
Divide with 4. A plus here 8D. That is equal to what is this value is there. Divide 4. 4 divide mean what is this value? 18 will be there. Do you understand? But what is asking? Then the sum of first 17 terms. Sum of first 17 terms. Therefore, S17 is the required. What is the S17? I given Sn formula. What is the Sn formula?
N
2a plus n minus 1 into d. Same thing. N by 2, 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16 into d will be there. What is the common in that bracket?
2, sir. A plus
2
8.
common. 2 cancel. 17 into a plus 8d. Already you know that. What is the a plus 18d? 8d mean 18. Substitution. You can get 17 into 18. Do you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
So,
This model question, there is a no logic. Directly formulas you can put, getting some relation of a and d. What is asking? This form must be getting. You can get that result. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Do it. Some question more calculation, some question you can understand that logic, easy to solve that question.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Once you understand how to able to solve, quickly solve
Yes.
that questions.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. This is there one different type of question, how to find out. Here is equal to, therefore what are that here, therefore in relation between ABC, ABC arithmetic or BCA arithmetic, like what is the chance will be there. Listen that equation. 9 into 25a square plus b square plus 25 into c square minus 3ac is equal to 15b into 3a plus c. Here I want to the how to convert it, how to find ABC arithmetic or geometric or harmonic or arithmetic geometric progression, how to able to find. Here listen, that is, what is the 9 into 25? Anyone?
225.
225. 225 can be written 15 square or not? Therefore, 9 into 25, 225 can be written that 15 square. That's why first term 15a whole square will be there. 9 into 25a square. I written that 15a whole square. Next one 9b square. I written that 3b whole square will be there. Next one 25c square. 25c square I written that. Here 5c whole square remaining. 25 into 3, that is 75 AC. Next, this term bring left hand side, 15 3s, 45 AB will be there, minus 15 AC is equal to 0. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
After listen. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Here I written that like this one. In such of question, generally, here what is the a plus b plus c whole square formula?
A square plus B square plus C square minus 2 of AB plus BC plus CA.
Not minus, plus. Here plus 2
Yes, sir.
times of ab plus bc plus ca. Therefore, a plus b plus c whole square are in between negatives are there. In between negatives are there. Either completely positive term or any two terms only negative. Remaining one term must be positive out of these three terms. Because of, for example, what is the a minus b minus c whole square? That is called a square, b square, c square. Next one, minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca is equal, that is called minus 2ca. By observation this one, there are two times terms are there. Two terms are negative, one term positive. When all are positive, two negative, one positive will be there. Converted to perfect square form. Converted to perfect square form. But here 3 terms are negative given or not?
Yes, sir.
When 3 terms are negative is there, what is the method? This is the method, just listen. Multiply to entire equation. Therefore, here 2 into, that is there, observe this one. Here listen, 2 into 15a whole square, 15a whole square plus 2 into 3b whole square is there. Next one, here 2 times of 5c whole square minus 2 into 75, 150 ac will be there. Next one, minus 90 AB minus 30 AC is equal to 0. This is, I can do that process. This is the process, multiply with 2. Here 2 times 15a whole square, I written that 15a whole square plus 3b whole square. A and B relation, some term will be there, 90 AB, that is called 90 AB. This is total one term I can consider. After, here listen, next one, that is 3B whole square plus 5C whole square, 5C whole square. B and C, some relation will be there. I think that one here 150 AC, here is called a BC. This is BC, BC. BC relation minus 30, BC will be there, plus next one. Here another one, another 5C whole square plus 15A whole square will be there. 5C whole square plus 15A whole square minus of 150 AC is equal to 0. Do you understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, 15A whole square here I written and last also written. 3B whole square here written, here also written. 5C whole square here written, here also written. Everything 2 times I written like this one. Listen, in that is their first term you can observe. A square plus B square minus 2AB form. A minus B whole square. Therefore, by observation, that is first term is there 15A minus 3B whole square plus second one 3B minus 5C, 3B minus 5C whole square plus next term 5C minus 15A whole square is equal to 0. Understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to this one? Okay. Here 2 into here 115A whole square I written and here one more 15A whole square I written. Okay. That's why here 2 times I written 3B whole square. Here one term will be there. Here is equal to one term will be there. Understood? Okay. In this one, observe, sum of perfect square is equal to 0. That's mean each term should be 0. That is the property. Sum of perfect squares is equal to 0. Implies each term should be 0. Each term mean first term equal to 0. 15A is equal to 3B. Second term also equal to 0. 3B is equal to 5C. Also 5C is equal to 15A. Understood this step? Therefore, listen, is equal to some k I can take. Some constant. Some k I can take. Therefore, observe this one. What is the A value? K by 15. B value K by 3. K by 3 I written in terms of 15 in denominator. 3 multiple what number getting 15?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. Therefore, 5 multiply numerator denominator 5k by 15. Here observe what is the C is? C is equal to k by 5 will be there. C is equal to k by 5. I want to the denominator converted to 15. What number can be multiple into 3? That is equal to 3k by 15 will be there. You can observe quite. You can observe k by 15, 5k by 15, 3k by 15. In these three terms, what is the common?
K.
Again, k by 15 is common. That means here 1 into k by 15, 5 into k by 15, 3 into k by 15. Therefore, observe this one. 1, 3, 5. This is there. Which progression?
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic, because difference is the same. That means 1. Therefore, 1 into k by 15 means A, comma. Next 3 into k by 15, C, comma. 5 into k by 15, B, here, that is equal to. Therefore, that is the B. R in which progression? Arithmetic progression. Therefore, A comma C comma B are in arithmetic progression. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
This is again that. This model of question again coming another 3-4 chapters. This model must be remembered. That's why I can explain that question. What is that question? When that 3 perfect squares are there after AB, BC, CA, the terms are 3 or negative terms will be given. What is the method? Multiply with 2. After you can do that. Converted to perfect square form. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Slowly learn that one method by method, one by one question. Because of formulas knows you cannot get that all questions. Only formula based questions only you can get. Some logics will be there, some different methods how to approach that question, that is also there. Everything you can learn.
Yes,
in
sir.
final examination you can get easily. Otherwise, again that same problem, each question you can take that 10 to sometime 20 minutes also. Don't leave that any student in this class. Any network issue, immediately you can connect. Any doubt you can ask immediately. You can write this week examination. Everyone must write that exam who are attend that class. If before classes who are not listen, it's there in YouTube. YouTube that videos will be there. You can see and listen that class and learn that questions. Maximum that models only given in examination. Because of this is last time first exam, only few students can be write that exam, but this week must write that everyone. All are understood?
Yes, sir.
If you not written, after I can talk with you. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, sir, completed.
Okay. In examination, here AP, GP mixed with some different chapters.
Sir, what is the next exam topic, sir? Quadratic equations and
Wavy-Karu method.
okay, sir.
Only the 2 chapters questions it's given in exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Last time also I told that whatever explain in class, that same model will be given or sometimes same questions also. This time also I told that same way. But last time many who are write that examination, student feel that difficult because of not learning anything else before exam. Generally present situation, state board exams, CBS exams cancel, but competitive level exam never be cancelled, always conducted in, you can go and write in that some particular place. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Here listen, that is x1, x2, etc., xn, that is one series. 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by hn, that is also another series. Both series are in arithmetic progressions. First one also one arithmetic progression, second one also one arithmetic progression, but terms are different. First terms different, common different. But x3 and h2 value given, x8 and h7 value given. What is the value of x5 into h10? One by one I can calculate it. Listen one. Here x1 comma, that is x1 comma x2 etc. xn are in which progression will be there? Arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? First term.
Yes, small a.
Small a. That's why x1 is equal to small a, x2 is equal to a plus d. A plus d. What is the x3 is equal to?
A plus 2d.
A plus 2d. x4 is equal to?
A plus
Here x3 is equal to 8 given. x3 is equal to 8. What is the x3 formula?
A plus 2d.
Therefore, very good. A plus 2d is equal to 8. And x8 is equal to 20 given. What is the x8 formula?
A plus 70.
A plus 70.
Therefore, a plus 70, very good, is equal to 20. Subtraction of both. A cancel. Subtraction of both. A cancel. 2d minus 7d minus 5d is equal to 8 minus 20. Therefore, minus 4 minus 12. That is there. Here minus 12. You can get minus 12. What is the d value? That is 12 by 5. You know that D value 12 by 5. Here listen, D value you know it. Here observe this one. A plus 2D is equal to 8. D value you know. Find out A value. What is the A is equal to? That is 8 minus 2D. That is 8 minus 24 by 5. 5 8 is equal to 40. 40 minus 24. What is that value? 16 by
16
5.
by 5.
You know that A value, you know that D value.
D value.
But what is asking that question? X5. What is the X5 formula?
A plus
A plus 4D.
Therefore, X5 is equal to A plus 4D. You know that A value. A
16 by
value
5.
16 by 5 plus D value. What is the
4.
D value? 12 by 5
12
will
by
be
5.
there.
4
Therefore,
into 12 by
12
4.
into 4.
48
48 by
48 by
5.
5.
That is LCM 5 will be there. What is the 16 plus 48?
74. 64
Again.
sir, 64.
64
Very good. 64 by 5.
5.
In first series, you can find out that value. In second series, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, etc. 1 by hn are in arithmetic progression. Listen, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, etc. 1 by hn are in arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, what is the terms? What are terms in arithmetic progression?
A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D.
A plus 3D
Very
is
good.
equal to A plus
But
n minus 1D.
already small a I can use, small d I can use. That's why in this series I can use capital A and capital D. Here listen, 1 by h1, 1 by h1 is equal to capital A. 1 by h2 is equal to A plus capital D, etc. will be there. But what is the given here?
H2 is equal to
H2. What is the 1 by H2 value? A plus D. Therefore, that is I can return A plus D is equal to 1 by 8. Any doubt?
no sir.
Next one. What is the term is given? H7. What is the 1 by H7 is equal to?
A plus 6D.
Very good. Here A plus 6D is equal to 1 by 20. Subtraction of both negative. Here A cancel. D minus 6D, that is called a minus 5D, is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 20. You can take LCM of 8 comma 20. LCM of 8 comma 20. Therefore, what is the LCM?
20.
40. 40. Good. That is equal to LCM is called 40. Here 5 minus 2 will be there. What is the 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. What is the D value? Minus 3 by 5 into 4. What is that value? 200. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here D value, no A value. What is the A value is equal to 1 by 8 minus D. 1 by 8 here plus 3 by 200. What is the LCM of 8 and 200?
400.
LCM of 8 and 200 will
400.
be there. 400?
400, sir.
Therefore, that is called 400. 8 5 times. Here 50 plus 6. You can get 56 by 400 will be there. That is equal to, here 4 cancel. or 28 by 200 will be there. I can get that d value like this one, will be a value this one, d value this one. What is asking that question? H10. How to find H10?
A plus 9D.
A plus 9D is called 1 by H10 because
1
it's
by A plus
given
90.
that question.
1 by A plus 60.
1 by A plus 90.
Therefore, H10 is equal to 1 by A plus 9D. What is the A value? 28 by 200. Here 28 by 200 plus
Sir,
9D.
Sir.
9 into 3.
28 by 200 we can
Minus,
also
sir.
write as 7 by 15, oh, sir.
Also written, but here second one will be
Simplification
there.
easy, sir.
Denominator 200 is there. You can do calculation easily.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then that is equal to, here you can observe, that is equal to 28 by 200. 9D, D value minus 3 by 200. 9 into 3 is equal to 27 by 200. You can get
answer is
LCM
200.
200. Therefore, that is 200. H10 you know, X5 you know. What is asking that question? Product of both. H5, X5 and H10 you know. Product of both values. What is the X5 is equal to? 64 by 5.
4 by 5.
Here 200. What is the product of both values?
6,260.
6,200. Okay. That means 64 into 4. Oh, 540 times 40. What is the 64 into 4?
2560.
256.
2560.
That is answer
2560, sir.
2560. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is not one question. This is two questions. Okay, clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the two questions can be mixing with in one question. How to able to solve? You know that formula, but calculation can be solved that quickly you can
Yes,
get.
sir.
When calculation very slowly, then you can take the time for this type of questions. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Sir, English
Yes, sir.
little slide.
Okay, do it. Some students are joining and leaving because of if not interested to solve that questions for calculation, not for network issue, but is asking network issues are he said, but not for network issue. Last year also your seniors, that is doing that, some other students doing that same way in online, only sometime you can listen after left. Then that time in ending of that year is there, facing lots of problem, you don't know the anything finally. Therefore, these points are mixing with another questions, not able to find out that solution finally. Then subject will be difficult. Some student already leave that subject also. This kind of situation is happens. That's why I told very clearly, practicing properly. Today I can show me some question. You can take screenshots.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Those questions you can try. If that questions are, you know it, no problem. If you don't know, I can explain tomorrow class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
some similar model, that is simple questions based on that one. Some question I can give that idea also, those you can try that questions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If completed, tell to me, I can show me.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, I can show me that question, just you can take screenshot. By copying you can take that time another 15, 20, 25 minutes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why if you take that screenshots, it's possible?
Possible, sir.
Okay. It's visible?
Yes, sir.
Sigma form given I is equal to 1 to 30 mean sum of 30 terms in arithmetic progression. That same, just using that formula only. What is the sum of n term formula?
N by 2n by 2, sir.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Using that formula. A5 27 given. What is the A5 formula?
A plus
A plus 4d.
Very good. Use that one, find out A value, D value. After what is asking A10. A10 means how to find A10?
A plus 9D.
A plus 9d, sir.
Very good. You can take screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please show once again.
Previous one. Over.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Before this is second one. Sum of first n terms is the given some value. Some value. Therefore, find common difference and 50th term. What is the formula for 50th term?
A plus 49D.
Very good. A plus 49D. You want to the that value in terms of capital A and N. Answers are in terms of capital A and N. Yesterday I told sum of n terms given. How to find out sum of n terms given? How to find nth term of the sequence? Anyone?
3n square plus
No, that is example I told. Sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms is equal to an. Remember this formula?
yes, sir.
Use that formula, you can get easily. That is the model of question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Over.
Over, sir.
Sir.
Next. Before that I can explain this model. Same model, note down. A1, A2, A3 arithmetic progression. A1 plus A4 plus A7. 3 difference. 1, 4th, 7th, 10, 13, 16. 3 difference. That is 1 and 4, difference 3. 4 and 7, difference 3. 3 different terms. Sum is equal to 114. What is the this 4 term sum? Same method before I can explain that model of question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Sn is the denote sum of first n terms. S4. What is the meaning of S4?
Sum of first four terms.
Sum of first 4 term. What is the formula?
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d.
Very good. For n in place of 4 substitution, that is you can get 4 by 2 into 2a plus 3d is equal to 16. How to written S6?
6 by 2 into 2a plus 5d, sir.
Very good. 6 by 2 into 2a plus 5d is equal to minus 48.
Minus 48.
Solve both equation getting a value and d value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is asking S10? What is the S10 means?
10 by 2 into sum of first 10 terms.
For sum of first 10 term, 10 by 2 into
2 into
2a plus
90.
90. Very good. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
After note down on more. If the first term of AP3 sum of first 25 equal to sum of its next 15 terms. దాని మీనింగ్ అర్థమైందా మీకు? యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ మీనింగ్?
Yes, sir.
Sum of first 25 terms, that means a1 plus a2 etc.
So on, okay.
A25 is equal to
A26 plus A27.
A26 plus A27 etc. A40.
A40.
What
Equal
are
to
doing, how to
A40
do
minus
it?
A25. Equal to
Very good, very
S40
good.
minus S25.
Very good, very good, very good. Here is there. What is your name?
Gautam.
Very good. Here observe, that is A25 up to sum of 25 terms. Here 26 to 40. 26 to 40 how to written? A1 plus A2 etc. A40 minus of A here is there. A1 plus A2 etc. A25. That negative term bring left hand side. You can get 2 times of A1, A2 etc. A25 equal to A1 plus A2 etc. A40. What is the sum of 25 term formula?
25 by 2.
25 by 2 into 2A
2
plus
into 3 plus 24D.
2a plus 24d. How to find sum of 40 terms?
40 by 2 into 2A plus 39D.
2A plus
2a plus 39d. Already a value given, you can find d value. D, what is asking? Common difference only asking. You can do this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more last. Nothing is there, that's all. This is the questions will be there. You can do it. Any question not getting, I can explain tomorrow class. You can ask to that question. And tomorrow I can start with the geometric progression. One of the important in progressions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then who are not listen arithmetic means, in geometric means I can explain arithmetic means also. Don't worry. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.